You got a guitar, you wanna learn it, but when you get to the chords, you get stuck. You just can't do the chord changes. I know how it is, and today I will show you why it happens and the step-by-step for you to do your chord transitions. Hey guys, I'm Everton Zacchini, and I've seen this so many times. People getting a guitar and getting stuck on chord transitions. Sometimes they look for songs, easy songs, just 3 chords, and then can do it. But the problem is, it's not with the person. It's the process that they need to learn. Sometimes they are trying to play so many things at the same time they are not used to do. I have students that went through it, now they play the chords and they can play the songs that they like as well. So for you to understand why it happens, let me ask you something. Would you jump in the water without knowing how to swim? The chance that you would get drowned would be high, right? So let me explain this. When I was young, I went to swimming lessons, and my first lesson I thought that I would learn how to swim. But actually, the only thing that I did was walk in the water. The instructor just taught me some leg movements. Then on the other day, he taught me another movement. So what the instructor was doing was giving me step by step the movements before I could properly swim. And soon I was able to learn and was able to swim. Now back to guitar. That's what a lot of people do. They get the guitar and jump into it, but they don't know the movements, they don't know step by step before put everything together. That's why people get stuck when learning guitar. They just want to do strumming, change the chords and get a good sound, everything at the same time, but they never did this before. That's why it becomes so complicated. So now let's see step by step, make it simple that you can apply and learn the guitar easily, and then soon you'll be able to play the songs that you like. So what you need to start off is just 2 chords. You need an E minor, so this chord you use fingers 1 and 2, fret 2, strings 4 and 5. There we go, that's your chord. Your next chord, we're going to use the A7 chord. So you take off your finger 1 and press with finger 3 on string 2, fret 2. There we go. E minor and A7. E minor and A7. You can practice only the chords, just the finger movement. So you just use 2 fingers. Then the next step, let's do just downstroke and you count loud until 4. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Practice it until you get comfortable with it, and also don't stop on your counting. Keep the tempo, so it's important to keep the sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this way, you force your fingers move on the tempo, and then your chord change also start to get faster. Then the next step, after you practice this, you start to do downstrokes in all beats. So you play downstrokes on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Let's do together. So I will count first 4 beats to start, and then you play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. Practice it, and if it's hard, make it slow, okay? Don't need to rush. Keep it slow. The important thing is to keep the tempo. Once you get this, Now we start to work a little bit on strumming. So let's start with the easy strumming as well, and just the strumming. Let's get this one. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And keep this feeling of the rhythm. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. You can practice it also with the chord. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. You don't need to change chord yet. Just practice it for a while you are strumming. Now that you have the strumming and then you have also your chord transitions, it's time to put them together. You learn one movement, then the other one, so you're doing step by step, and now it'll be easier for you to do strumming and chord change. But before we practice, remember, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get my latest videos. I'm posting lessons every week for you. If you want to improve on guitar and get this video, don't forget to subscribe, and also you can check this playlist for beginners. And if you like the video, hit the like and share with your friends. Let's practice. Strumming with chord transitions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, 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 down. Now, it takes a while for you to get used to the chord transition and with this strumming. So sometimes it will be like 2 days, 3 days, sometimes it's a week. The important thing is that you practice a little bit every day and get used that you can do the chord change and the strumming without thinking. You just do it automatically. So here are more 2 chord progressions for you to practice it. That will be easier for you to start before we start to get songs. Let's get C chord and A minor chord. C chord, finger 1, fret 1, string 2, finger 2, fret 2, string 4, and finger 3, fret 3, string 5. Now, when you move to A minor, just move your finger 3. Keep finger 1 and 2, just put your finger 3 on string 3, fret 2. So C, A minor. Just one finger for you to practice. Remember, one step at a time. So, C, A minor, C, A minor. Then you repeat the process. Do the step by step. Chord change, downstrokes, then strumming, then put together transition with strumming. Now, the other chord here, A minor. You already know this one. Now you need to move 2 fingers. So you move fingers 3 to fret 2, string 1, and your finger 2, just one string down to string 3, fret 2. So we have A minor and D7, A minor and D7. Just 2 chords, A minor, D7, A minor, D7. You'll find these chords on the song Oye Como Va by Santana. Repeat the process. Guys, I was editing here the video and I just realized that I forgot to ask you something. Please put in the comments if you found it easy, if you were able to do this chord changes, if you were stuck before, you couldn't do it and now you can do it. So please let me know, put in the comments. That's the way that you can improve on guitar, and everything will be like this. You need the process step by step and always have the next step for you to improve. That's today's lesson, and I hope that soon you'll be able to play these chord transitions and also play the songs that you like. Remember, it takes time, sometimes it won't be one day, but you need to practice every day. Remember that learning guitar takes time. You can get one of these chord progressions by week, so do E minor A7 one week, the second week C and A minor, the next week A minor and D7. You just need to repeat this step by step to keep improving on the guitar. That's today's lesson, and if you don't want to miss these lessons, subscribe to the channel, and I hope this video will give you motivation to learn guitar. Thanks for watching, see you next time.